Have you ever wondered what numbers mean in your dreams? It's not just random. Numbers actually represent the evolution of a thought from a single idea to its full completion. It starts with 1, individuality, then comes 2, duality. 3 is about creation. And today, we're diving deep into the number 4, which represents inner stability. Think about it. A bicycle has 2 wheels and needs balance, but a car's 4 wheels provide total stability. You feel secure sitting on a chair or putting things on a table because of their 4 stable legs. Even though we walk on 2 feet, the stability of walking on all 4s is far greater. So, in a dream, the number 4 represents the stability a thought has as it starts to grow legs and build a solid foundation in your mind. Let's use an example. Imagine you're thinking about getting a new job. That thought begins with the number 1, your individual need for more money, or maybe a better work-life balance. Once you observe this need internally, you've created the duality of the number 2, the outer need and your inner awareness of it. This then sparks the number 3, the creative idea in your mind to actually do something about it. As you entertain this thought more and more, it grows legs. It becomes more rooted in your mind. You become certain that this need is real and must be addressed. This is the stability of the number 4. Your thought of getting a new job has now formed a solid foundation. So when a 4 shows up in your dream, it's reflecting the inner stability you have and can rely on within yourself. The context of the dream is key. For example, did you dream of eating 4 oranges on your way out the door? We know food in dreams often represents knowledge or understanding we're dating from life lessons. The 4 here could mean the knowledge you're building is stable and reliable. Or it could be that stability itself is the lesson you're learning. Ultimately, you are the best interpreter of your dream based on what's happening in your life. This is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of dream decoding. Understanding these symbols can bring incredible clarity. If you're ready to unlock the true meaning of your dreams and gain deeper insights, I highly recommend using the Chitta Dream Decoder. It's a powerful tool that can guide you to true clarity on any dream you have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more dream insights.